Next, types of debentures. There are 8 types of debentures. First one, secured debentures. These are the debentures that are secured by a charge on the assets of the company. That means company sometimes, in order to raise capital, it can keep assets as a surety and can get fund. Now the assets are security of the company. So keeping security of the company and raising capital called as secured debentures. These debentures also known as mortgage debentures. Second, unsecured debentures. Unsecured debentures are those which are not secured fully or partially by a charge on assets. That means sometimes a company may try to do raising capital without keeping any assets as a surety called as unsecured debentures. Generally, solvency of the company is the only security for their holders, and these debentures are also called as NAC debentures or ordinary debentures and also simple debentures. Third, redeemable debentures. The debentures which are repayable after a stated period of time are called redeemable debentures. That means when company takes loan on assets, by the time banks or financial institutions, they will fix on which date they have to repay. Because of fixed period of time, these debentures are called as redeemable debentures. Next, irredeemable debentures. The debentures which are not repayable during the lifetime of the company are called irredeemable debentures. The company may repay the money at the time of liquidations or on the happening of the contingencies or after the expire of a very long period. So liquidation means the process of business is bringing to an end and distributing its assets to clients due to unexpected events. And also liquidation indicates insolvency, which means company cannot pay even during the time of winding up. So unpayable debentures are called as irredeemable debentures. Fifth, convertible debentures. The debentures which are convertible into shares or securities at the option of the holders after a certain period are called convertible debentures. In simple term, converting debentures into shares called as convertible debentures. These convertible debentures are classified into 2 types. One, fully convertible debentures. Second, partially convertible debentures. Sixth, non-convertible debentures. The debentures which are not convertible into shares or other securities of the company are called non-convertible debentures. These convertible or non-convertible debentures are purely depends on agreement between company and holder. Seventh, registered debentures. These are the debentures which are payable to the registered holders. The name of the holders of these debentures appear both places, on the debenture certificate and also in the company's registers of debentures holder. So these debentures are evidence to the holder can claim in court if company is unpaid. Eighth, bearer debentures. The debentures which are payable to the bearer are called bearer debentures. The names of the debentures holders are not recorded in the register of debentures holders. They are treated as a negotiable instruments and as such they are transferable by mere delivery. In simple terms, unregistered of holders debentures called as bearer debentures. So these are the types of debentures. Next we can discuss about advantages of debentures. Thank you.